Hello and welcome to We Dared Chemistry. Today, we're diving into the fascinating topic of the brand new series on Spectral Series Humphreys Series Lecture 7. Humphreys Series, NL equals 6. The series was first observed in 1953 by American physicist Curtis J. Humphreys. Thus, the series is named after him. Humphreys series is displayed when electron transition takes place from higher energy states N equals 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, to NL equals 6 energy state. All the wavelength of the Humphreys series falls in the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Refer to the table below for various wavelengths associated with spectral lines. Energy level, N. Wavelength, lambda in μm in vacuum. Infinity. 3.282, 11. 4.673, 10. 5.129, 9. 5.908, 8. 7.503, 7. 12.37. They are the unnamed series which follow the spectral pattern described by the Rydberg equation. They were first observed in the infrared range during an experiment in 1972 by Peter Hansen and John Strong. These series are displayed when electron transition takes place from higher energy states, NH equals 8, 9, 10, 11, to NL equals 7 or above energy state. The series is observed in a higher wavelength. The spectral lines are extremely faint and widely spread out. They correspond to highly rare atomic events. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to We Dared Chemistry for more educational content. See you in the next video.